If you want to consistently create content that ranks, gets clicks, and actually grows your audience, you need to stop guessing and start using real search data. Answer the Public can help you do exactly that. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to master Answer the Public from basic searches to advanced content strategy. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Take a moment to understand the dashboard. This is where all your keyword research starts. Next, enter a broad seed keyword related to your niche. The quality of your results depends on how well you choose this starting point. Once results load, don't just look at one section. Explore questions, comparisons, prepositions, and related searches. Each one gives a different angle of user intent. Now focus on intent. Ask yourself what the user really wants. Are they trying to learn, compare, or buy? Mastering this step is what separates beginners from experts. Look for long-tail keywords, question-based searches, and comparison phrases. These usually have lower competition and higher conversion potential. Now organize your keywords into topic clusters. Group related ideas together so you can build authority around a single subject instead of scattered content. Don't just create random posts. Build a system, blogs, videos, FAQs, and guides that all connect using your keyword research. As you master Answer the Public, you'll start seeing patterns. Use those patterns to scale your content creation and publish consistently around what people actually search for. Mastery comes from repetition. Keep updating your keywords, refining your clusters, and improving your content based on new search data. And that's how to master Answer the Public. Yeah, once you understand how to read search behavior, you can turn any topic into content that actually performs. Thanks for watching, and good luck mastering your content strategy.